Entertainment units, like any other kind of furniture, come in a variety of styles. While each one has their individual preferences when it comes to decor, sleek contemporary designs are ruling the roost at the moment. These trending modern TV unit designs are typically characterized by clean lines and uncluttered structure. In this video, you are watching the amazing TV console TV unit design ideas. The television is an essential feature, an integral part of modern living rooms, and with advance in technology, the design of the TV has shrunk from a bulky box to a sleek and slim wall-mounted unit. Hence, the TV unit designs have also witnessed a dramatic transformation. While designing the TV unit for living rooms, it is very important and essential to consider aesthetic and functionality. Additionally, one should look at the layout and size of the living room before deciding on the exact spot to fix the television. The type of material, size, color, and storage features of the TV unit will also help to determine the design that is best suited for the room. In modern homes, often the seating arrangement and the decor of the living room revolves around the TV unit to provide the comfortable viewing of the family and guest. By looking all these factors, you can select a design that not only saves money but also suits the decor theme. Although you will come across many TV unit design ideas in stores or on the internet, we recommend seeking the help of interior designers and decorators to customize a design that is perfect for your living room. Moreover, by working with a professional, you won't have to bother about hiring carpenters to replicate a model, as the designer will pay attention to detail in every aspect of the design, as well as your future needs to come up with the ideal solution. To make it easy for you to get started, in this video we are showing you the TV furniture for your living room, and after watching this video you will be able to know that how can you decorate your living room by using the TV cabinet furniture. So if this video is beneficial for you, then please don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Now it's time to say goodbye. Please provide your feedback in the comment box. Thank you so much.